If you have a key ring on here, you don't necessarily have to take it off. Basically, what you want to do is slide this little lever here to the left and slide out the physical key. Now, this will get rid of your keychain if you want to set it aside. Now, what some people do is they take the actual physical key and they'll use this for the next step. I don't really recommend it because it damages the little spot where you pry. You can see this one's fairly damaged. So basically, you want to avoid all that damage, you want to use a screwdriver or something like that and just pry right in this corner and pry up. In this case, you just twist it, basically, just to separate it and get it popped up and loose, like so. Then you can go the rest of the way with your hands, like so. You want to gently do it because things can fall out. All right, so you can see this side right here. I'm going to set that aside for a second. You see that part right there? This comes right out. This little, it's a seal with the buttons and everything. So you want to make sure that doesn't get dislodged, but also you don't want to drop it, especially. So now we can set that apart, set that part down. This is where the actual battery is. And so right in here, we can lift up on the battery. It's fairly simple. It's not compressed or anything too much. It does have a little spring there. But the battery is a CR2032, and you want to put the numbers and letters and stuff facing down. You can get the new battery and put it up against that spring right there. Push it in and press down, and it'll kind of stay there. All right, so you get the other half again. And the best way I've found to do this is to line it up, is to start with the small side. You just kind of get it within that seal. So you have the seal there, and this part goes inside that seal, like that. Once you get that small side kind of lined up properly, then it kind of tends to just fall in place. And then before you start pushing on it, you just double check, make sure it is lined up properly all the way around. And then on the edges, you start snapping it in place. Try not to press the buttons, especially the panic button. You wake up the neighbors. Go around, snap it all in place, double check it. Visually inspect it, feel it, all that stuff. Then you can put the physical key back in, and then you're all finished.